Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today, we are going to start with part 2, the new video for lesson number 3.5 news analysis. In last video, we had seen about this same lesson 3.5, but we had seen passage A and passage B. Now, today we are going to start with passage C. On page number 72. It is related to uh, the name of the topic is most dangerous time in the history. This news is about London. The famous physics professor Stephen Hawking has warned that mankind is facing the most dangerous time in its history today. He said that the world today is facing huge challenges like climate change, overpopulation, epidemic, disease. Now, in this article, what the professor Stephen Hawking, what he is telling, he is a great scientist and he is telling that mankind, what do you mean by mankind? Mankind means the human race is facing the most dangerous time in the history. He said that the world today is facing huge challenges. Today the world is facing the huge challenges like climate change, overpopulation and epidemic disease. See, you can see every now and then. Now if you will see in India, the seasons are not going according to the cycle. Okay, now this is the month of January. Then few days back you had seen there was raining in the morning. Okay, overpopulation is the another problem. Epidemic disease, what do you mean by epidemic disease? Epidemic means a widespread occurrence of an infectious disease. The best example of epidemic disease is now COVID. You had seen that this disease had attacked many countries. Okay, so COVID is known as epidemic disease. Now, see the next part. We have the technology to destroy the planet on which we live and have not yet developed the ability to escape. Now here what he is telling, that the technology is trying to destroy the planet and we have not tried any abilities. Okay, perhaps in few hundred years from now we will have built colonies aimed the star, but right now we have only one planet and we need to work together to protect it. Hawking wrote recently in the Guardian newspaper. Now what Hawking is saying, he is telling that few hundred years ago we had tried to prepare a colonies at the stars, means on the other planet, but right now we don't have any other planet to live, so we should protect our earth. And this thing has been written by Hawking recently in his newspaper named as Guardian. Okay, now let us see on page number 73 the next passage, passage D, and the name of the passage is quick cure for all ailments. Now it is written actually by a staff reporter Kavathi. Hundreds of people flock every hour to Relewadi, a tiny settlement near Ambegaon. Now this article is written by a staff reporter, and hundred of people flock. What do you mean by flock? Flock means to move or to move together in a crowd. Okay, they are moving where? To Ralewadi. Ralewadi is a tiny settlement means a village in Ambegaon. Okay, they wait in a long winding queues in hot sun to get a special powder from Miri Baba, who claims that it cures all sort of disease. Now all the people in Relewadi from different areas, they come to this settlement and they stand in a long queue. Winding means twisting queues means line. Okay, they stand in queue in the hot sun also to get what? A special powder, and it is given by the name known as Miri Baba. And who is claiming means who is saying that I can cure all the type of disease. According to him, he has developed this powder from a special herbs in the Himalaya. And what he is selling, the powder which I am giving to the people, it is made from a special herb, and that herbs we can get where? At the Himalaya. Okay. Unwilling to give the exact name and the source of the herb, he only says that it was revealed to him. Now, this Baba is not telling the exact name of the herb. So, he only says that it was revealed to him. Revealed. What do you mean by revealed? Revealed means disclose something that is secret. Okay. He offers it at rupees 25 a pack. He is charging 25 rupees for a packet. Each packet is specially blessed by him, and all the packets are specially blessed by the Miri Baba. Some of his followers claim that they have seen him curing thousands of people with this powder. Now, some of the followers means the person who are people who support or admire someone. So they says that they had seen many of the people, thousands of the peoples who had been cured by this powder. So many people believe on him. Okay. Let us see the next line. However, Dr. Karnik of Ambegaon Civil Hospital says that the number of the patient in their hospital has in fact increased in the last few weeks. As the follower says that he has cured many of the thousand of the people, but Dr. Karnik from Ambedkar Civil Hospital, from a government hospital, he says that there is increase in number of patients in his hospital in last few weeks. So here we have finished with our passage D also on the page number 73. I hope you all have understood all the passages, that is passage A, B, C and D. So these were the news articles what we had seen. So here, as I said in introduction only, that if you get any news, first you have to what? You have to read it, and first you have to see it whether it is true or no. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day. I hope you will complete all the written work neatly and nicely. Thank you.